Hey guys, if you wanna know how I created this look, then keep on watching. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. First, I'll be using a rose mist to prime my face. Then I'm using a Pond's Super Light Gel to moisturize. I'm massaging thoroughly into my face in circular motion. Next, I'm using a concealer from Wet n Wild to cover my dark circles. I'm setting it with a beauty blender. Now using Fit Me Compact to set it, I'll be using this wonderful eyeshadow palette from Nicka in the shade Birthday Cake. Firstly, I'm using a light pink shade to make a crease line. Then I am using a brown shade in my outer corners to give it a depth and blending it inwards with pink eyeshadow. Taking slightly more darker shade of pink and blending it evenly now. Now half of my eye is done. I'll be moving to next eye. Doing the same process in both eyes. I'm giving extra time in blending so I'll get a very defined crease line. I'm using a brown to blend. Now I'll be making a half cut crease with a concealer from LA Girl. I have drawn an even line, now smoothing it out for my crease. Now I'm using my fave shade from this palette, which is a hot pink shade, and I'm placing it all over my lid where I have placed the concealer. I'm packing the shade over my eyelid. Now I'm using this Lilac Pressed Glitter from the same palette and placing it all over the eyelid where I have placed the pink eyeshadow so that it gives a very nice hue and it looks a very nice cool toned purple. Now blending it with a clear brush. Doing the same process onto my other eye. Making the cut crease. Filling it with a pink shade. Now using Lilac Pressed Glitter, clearing out excess eyeshadow. Using the same shade under my eyes. Now I'm using this sketch eyeliner from Maybelline. I'm making a very thin line of eyeliner and giving a very small wing. Now using Lash Renegade from Wet n Wild. It is a very good mascara. Now I'm coming onto the face. I'm highlighting my under eyes with the same concealer. Now giving it a good blend. You have to give extra time in blending so that the concealer won't pop out under the foundation. So I'm just blending. Sorry for the lighting. It might look super white to you, but it is due to the bad lighting. I'm blending the foundation in. I have used FS38. Now I'm packing the foundation into the skin perfectly. Next step, I'm doing contouring with Bonjour bronzer. Using Makeup Obsession blush in pink. You better smile while applying blush. So here I am smiling. Now I'm using highlighter from TS Cosmetics, This is a very good highlighter. You just need one drop and just spread it all over your face. Packing it with the beauty blender. Now highlighting my brow bone with a silver highlighter, using the same shade into my inner corners. I never miss this step because the eyes look super good. It comes out very good in pictures. Oh, I forgot about the brows at this moment. So I'm doing my brows with a brown shade using the spoolie brush. Now comes the last part, that is the lipstick. I'm using a hot pink shade from SQL Cosmetics. This is a very perfect pink shade. Now I'm topping it up with a buff nude from Faces Canada to give it a highlighting effect onto my lips, curling my eyelashes. I'm done. Thank you guys for watching.
कितनी हंसी है हाँ सर पे चढ़ी है तू दिल्ली की लड़की हाँ दिल में बसी है तू बिल्कुल तू परफेक्ट ना तुझ में कमी है कुछ आजकल बातें होती कम